G'day, I'm here in sunny Sydney Harbour to test out a brand new piece of kit that's looking set to shake up the fashion industry. This is the Zozosuit. As you can see, this very skin tight two-piece shows off all my curves and, to be honest, my beautiful donut and coffee filled gut. Now, I've never really had self-confidence issues in the past, but I'm not gonna lie, being here in one of Sydney's most photographic locations has shaken my self-confidence just a little bit, but it's all good. That's not what the Zozosuit was designed for anyway. I'm gonna show you exactly what it's all about. All right, so back in the office, I've put a sweater on to spare you all from looking at my gut for the rest of the video. But back to the Zozosuit. So the Zozosuit is the brainchild of Yusaku Maezawa, and he's a Japanese punk rocker turned entrepreneur billionaire who founded a website for fashion known as ZOZOTOWN. Now Maezawa, he's actually short by Japanese standards, and he realized that other people probably have the same problem. They can't quite find clothing that fits them, so he came up with an idea. And that idea was to make an easy to order, custom fit clothing app, and that's Zozo. So here's how it works. So once your Zozosuit's arrived, you download the Zozosuit app and you go through the measurement process. It's very simple. It's all directed by the Zozosuit app. Basically, you just press next and it runs you through the whole thing. In your Zozosuit package, you actually get a stand as well, and that stand is for you to place your smartphone on. It uses the smartphone camera to take pictures of you in 3D space, and it uses the white dots on the Zozosuit to form a 3D measurement. So once it's taken all of the photos, you can see it produces a 3D measurement of your entire body, and across your entire body you've got 18 measurements. So you can see the neck, I've got upper left arm, sort of down the bottom as well. You can see that my left calf is sort of above average, which I'm pretty happy about. Been working on that lately. And also your ankles down the bottom. So once your measurements are in the system, you can just go to the Shop Your Items button. It takes you to the storefront with the Zozo collection, and these are all made in-house. All of this apparel is Zozo's own brand. And you can see straight away there's an Oxford shirt here for $48. I can just select my color. I'm gonna go pink. I think that suits me. Only want one. Add to the bag. Once it's in your bag, you're basically ready to go. Now, because it's taken my measurements just now, that Oxford shirt, when it arrives, it's already going to be tailored to fit me, and only me, perfectly. Now, I've already ordered some items, so I'm actually going to go jump into those and show you exactly what the Zozosuit apparel line looks like on this fantastic canvas. All right, so I went with a simple grey crew neck and some dark blue straight slim jeans, and to be honest, the major thing is how well does it all fit. And to be honest, I'm pretty happy. I mean, the grey crew neck sits exactly as I want it to. It's the right length, and that's all because of the 3D measurement system. The jeans probably are a little bit bigger than I expected. They do have a little bit of give, especially around the waist, but also at the ankle. I would like them to be a little bit tighter, but that is what a slim straight jean is, I guess. So beggars can't be choosers. So the Zozosuit has enough there to get people interested, but with lengthy shipping times and the price point, is it going to be enough to actually keep people interested? For all my thoughts and impressions, head to CNET.com. I am, of course, Jackson Ryan. I'm going to jump back into a Zozosuit for some stupid reason, then go to a cafe for some good reason and get a coffee. I'll see you guys soon.